is Andris, welcome to my channel. Today I need to leave my here apartments in village Santo Domingo in northwest part of island, and I need to go to one of the biggest cities here. Its name is Puerto de la Cruz. It's located in a north part of island. I stayed here in Santo Domingo quite a long time, but I traveled in nearest places here, walked, and I didn't made a video about this village yet. It's a very small village. Populations maybe here is no any information in English about this village, but I think population here is around 1000, maybe 800. It's very small. Here is many gardens and just few buildings in a hill, and here also some. Very difficult here to go reach somewhere near seaside. There's no any public roads, but from here you can see here beautiful views on the ocean. I will set up my gimbal and we'll do a short walk on this village. And here I'm in a bus stop. I'm waiting bus to go to Puerto de la Cruz. And I would say here is no any zebras and bus stop located on a busy road. So be careful if you're coming here. Here happened something bad. It's very bad traffic. I wait my bus for 1 hour and not possible. It's very bad. It was a long journey. It was nearly all road was with bad traffic, and instead of 20 minutes I came for 1 hour and 40 minutes. Finally I in my hotel here in Puerto de la Cruz. A room cost here 37 euros. And here is my room. How you see doors, it's look like from 90s maybe. And here is bathroom. And we have this one. Yeah, it's many hotels I see in Spain. In Tenerife you have bath, but you don't have something to put in, to plug in and enjoy your bath. A balcony. Okay, let's see a room first. We have TV. Grundig. Okay, what I have view from my window. Mountain view. This one don't have any. Let's see how to open. It's probably. I cannot open window. Yeah. Yes, I cannot open window. I have mountain view. Let's see balcony. This view I have. Oh, it's beautiful. Beautiful. I have ocean and mountain view. Strange, why I cannot open window? Oh, it's very bad. Okay. This room price is 37 euros and they didn't accept my British Lloyds Bank card in some reason. Reception didn't answer me why, but I just cannot use my British Lloyds Bank Visa card, and if cancel I need to pay reserved full price. So idiotic, I don't know how it's to explain. Yeah, so I needed to transfer money to my my currency card and pay. I needed to pay from my currency card for this hotel. If you like this video, please don't forget to press like button, subscribe. I upload at least 2 free videos per month. And if you wish to support my channel, please watch all ads on my videos. Will be big respect to you. See you next time. Bye.